Hello everyone, my name is Albert here with CureUV, and today we're going to talk about the GermAway 95 watt room tabletop sterilizer. Let's take a look. Alright, welcome back. Before we begin, safety first. Always make sure to wear your goggles to protect your eyes from any exposure. So to begin with this device, it comes with a 1-year warranty, and it's actually made right here in America, and we're quite proud of it. It comes with a metal case, as well as a metal frame surrounding the bulb for industrial and commercial quality. Alright, let's take a look and see how it works. Alright, now let's get into the setup process. First step, make sure the device is plugged in. This is an important step, so please don't forget it. Next, we're going to turn it on by pressing the switch. So press the switch like so, and there you go. Now the device is turned on. So now we're going to look at our time frames. So first we have hold, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. Now you may be wondering, how do we get to each time frame? Well, you press it once for 10 minutes, 2 times for 20 minutes, 3 times for 30 minutes, 4 times for 60 minutes, and if you want to leave it on indefinitely, just hold the button, give it a few seconds to turn on, and there you go. That's it. So, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at CureUV.com. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have an awesome day from all of us here at CureUV, and stay safe.